Reading numbers can get pretty boring, and it's difficult to get any useful information from a list of text and numbers. Pictures make data easier to understand, and that's where Excel's charts come in. A chart is a graphical representation of data, and it's a great way to visualize it. Here's some data. We've been using data similar to this throughout the course. When you look at the data, what can you quickly determine from it? There are 4 regions. There are 3 cost values. These details aren't very useful, and they won't help us make any business decisions. But if we convert this data into a chart, we'll be able to extract some useful information. A chart changes raw data into useful information. From this chart, we can see that the North region has the highest material cost, the West region has the lowest, and while the North region has the highest material and production costs, it has a very low marketing cost. There are many other things you can infer from this chart, and what you highlight in it depends upon what you need the audience of the chart to learn or understand. So how do charts work? A chart takes a list of data and visualizes it to bring out key facts that are contained within the data. This chart visualizes the data below it by using the regions North, South, East, and West as categories that go across the chart. The categories can be compared to one another. The chart also uses the data's column headers, production, marketing, and material cost, as 3 series of data. Each series is represented as a colored column and has an entry in the legend at the bottom of the chart. And the chart uses the values, $39,249 through $21,794, to create the colored columns that represent the values. The higher the column, the larger the value. The top of the column corresponds to the value on the left side of the chart. The first column in the chart represents the first value in the first cell of the data, which is $39,249. The column almost reaches the $40,000 interval on the chart. The color of the column matches the color in the legend, so you know what each bar represents. This is just one example of the type of chart you can create in Excel. We'll see some other chart types and walk through how charts are created, formatted, and updated in the upcoming videos. So let's create some charts.